Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to bypass core into a mobile. Now if you want to bypass the core into a mobile but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. To bypass the core on Duo Mobile, a bypass code allows you to log in but you can't still use the Duo Mobile. Such as when you lose your phone or you don't have an internet access, you can get a bypass code. So if you have access to Duo Mobile, you may open the Duo Mobile app on the device, and after that you need to tap on the account you want to get the code for. So I have not linked any account on my Duo Mobile yet. So if you want to get the bypass code for any account you have linked for, then you may simply click on it, and from there a 6-digit code will appear, and this is your bypass code. So enter the code when prompt to log in. So a prompt will appear when you are trying to log in. So you need to enter the 6-digit code when you are trying to log in, and if you are locked out and need a temporary bypass code, then you need to try the backup code if you have saved. So if you have not saved, that's bad. Or you may also check your email or Gmail on a device and see if there is any temporary bypass code, or also you may contact IT help desk and request for a one-time bypass code. So that's it. That's how you can bypass the code on Duo Mobile. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.